Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Firebase App Check for securing API access, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Log in with your Google account if you haven't already. Select the project you want to secure with App Check. In the left sidebar, find and click on Build. Under Build, click on App Check. You will see an overview of App Check. Click on Get Started. Choose the app platform you are working with, such as Android, iOS, or web. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable App Check for your selected platform. For Android apps, download the latest version of the Firebase SDK. Integrate the SDK into your Android project. For iOS apps, add the Firebase SDK to your Xcode project. Ensure you have the appropriate permissions set up in your Xcode project. For web apps, ensure you've installed the Firebase JavaScript SDK. Initialize App Check in your app for the respective platform. For Android, this typically involves calling functions in your application class. For iOS, initialize it in your app delegate. For web, use Firebase's initialization functions in your JavaScript files. After initializing, you need to enable attestation providers. For Android and iOS, choose between Play Integrity and Device Check for attestation. Configure the settings as needed based on your choice. Once you have set up your app, publish the necessary updates. Return to the Firebase console. Verify that your app is now showing as registered under App Check. Test the integration to ensure that your API requests are checked for validity. Monitor the App Check dashboard to see the status of requests. Review the security logs regularly to ensure everything is functioning as expected. By following these steps, you will successfully register with Firebase App Check and secure API access for your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.